So I'm down here in my basement right now. I know everything's kind of a mess. We got gym equipment laying around all over the place. But I wanted to show you guys that, you know, these are my dad's old dumbbells from when he was in high school in the 70s. Okay, he obviously bought these plates back in the day, Olympic barbell plates, but as for all the dumbbells, you can see that, you know, he made them themselves. They're not factory made, you know, that we could have something to lift with when he was wrestling and playing football. Bench press was also made by him and my grandpa. Got some more old plates over here, easy curl bar and more dumbbells, but you know, they're kind of rusted out, lost their color, so we're going to try and restore them and make them look like brand new. So we are currently in Lowe's right now, trying to find some anti-rust substance to restore my dad's old weights. I kind of don't know where we're going right now. Alright, so for the materials that we're going to be using to fill up the big coolers with a lot of vinegar. You see this? We just use some regular cleaning vinegar, and I don't know how many we got, 14, 15 of them. Not only to fill up the big coolers, but you know what, we're going all out. We're going to go full send here. Got some Rust-Oleum Universal hammered paint and primer in one. We got the black color for the plates and the dumbbells that we're going to be repainting. Got some 3-in-1 oil just to help out, you know, getting some rough spots on the rust. Helps out get the rust better. Got some number stencils so that way we can repaint the numbers on how much each dumbbell weighs, you know, because it doesn't really have a set weight on the dumbbells now. We don't really know how much, so once we put them on a scale and figure out how much they weigh, we're just going to go ahead and spray paint through these, get the right amount of weight. And last, we have white paint little pens, kind of markers, Sharpie markers that we're going to use for the plates over there to, you know, kind of rewrite over the USA and 45 pounds and the Olympia bars and whatnot. So without further ado, we'll get that thing going. Alright, now that we've finished scrubbing them with the wire brushes, and you know, as you can see, a lot of visible rust has come off and dumbbells are noticeably brighter and lighter. I think now we're ready to start soaking them in the tub, so let's get to it. Alright, it is now toward the afternoon of the next day after soaking all the dumbbells and the plates in the vinegar, and I don't know if you can really see it, but it's kind of bubbled up a lot, and there's a lot of residue sitting on the top layer of the vinegar. So we're gonna pull them out and give them one more scrub, and then we'll get to painting them. Okay, so now I'm going over it one more time with the wire brush, but now I put on some of this 3-in-1 oil kind of stuff, and as you can see, it makes all the difference. This is what it looks after sitting in the vinegar for over 12 hours, and you know, it's obviously gotten a lot of rust off, but the 3-in-1 oil is definitely obviously making it look a whole lot better. So alright, now that we're finished scrubbing everything down with the wire brush and we used up a lot of oil, as you can see, all the towels are pretty filthy and nasty, and so is the floor. So we're probably just gonna roll those up and throw them in the trash after we clean everything up. Now we're gonna dump out the rest of the vinegar. Oh my gosh, that stinks. As you can see, it's almost black, if not brown, from all the rust that's been come off. So we're gonna go outside and dump that out.